Oh, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Maison Dor Network, with me, Dior Shaari. Okay, actually, I just bought this Rendang Ayam, okay, from Adabi. To tell you frankly, I never see this before. Okay, and now I live alone and I need to eat and cook a very fast food. So I try this one. If I'm not mistaken, it's like about 11 ringgit. You can find in the Food Panda or Grab. If you can go to Lotus, something like that. All right, so let's see the front. The unboxing. Okay, let's for your righteous. Okay. I actually reading together with you, so I didn't really read also before. Oh, lost it. Okay, untuk info silakan. Oh, you're right. And this is array maklumat makanan. Okay. No preservative. Tiada pengawet. Alright. This halal Malaysia. Array. Does it? Oh, no, here. Okay, here ramen Korean. Okay. Product boleh makan. Ready to eat. Okay. Wow. Okay. So that means yeah. You just open it and this is expired and just eat it. Okay, but before you eat, let's check inside. Right. Okay. Look. Wait. This is 27. No, 26. Another. Okay. Let's see. Okay. For this, I need help with this. Right. Okay. We're gonna put it. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chip. Okay. Okay. What is this again? Rendang ayam. Do you have it in English? Same. Okay, chicken rendang. Oh, sorry. Okay. Okay. Wait. Wait. Let's check. Okay. Oh my God. Okay. 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 Oh, it's the chicken is like very full. Yeah. Oh, you have a full chicken. Okay. How to know? Let me try. Well, oh, good. Good. You know what? It's actually a bit spicy. For those who do, not into spicy, like if you're Chinese or Caucasian, I don't really recommend this. But if you are very Malaysian and you eat nasi lemak, oh, this is number one. Congratulations, Adabi. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. And my advice, when you eat this, actually take out, put it on the plate, and make it hot in the microwave like 1 minute, right? It will be better. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. DIORatic, Dior Shaari. Sign out from Maison Dor Network. Chicken rendang.